We have the wet weather coming in for today. Right now, though, we're not wet. Just went outside again, making sure everything's okay. Around Baltimore County, Harford County, it looks like we're seeing some showers across that area because it's green. But again, still dealing with those dew points that are on the drier side of things. So we still have to moisten up the atmosphere before it actually reaches the ground. Now, if you're going to be traveling to the south, oh yeah, you can see some of those yellows and oranges and green and reds, rather, across that area. So they are dealing with some actual heavy rain coming in across the area. And as we go through the morning, we will start to get some wet weather in here. So that's why I say before you leave the house, make sure you do have that rain gear with you. Also, before you leave the house, make sure you do have a jacket because that's really going to come in handy by the afternoon as temperatures are not going to budge all that much. Temperature right now in Mount Airy coming in at 54. We're at 57 degrees right now in Arnold, and Owings Mills is coming in at 53 degrees right now. Also, there is a light breeze coming in out of the east at about 5 to 15 miles an hour right now, so it is making it feel a little bit cooler, but still not too terrible this morning. But by this afternoon, you're really going to feel that breeze, and you're also going to feel the fact that temperatures are well below average. Highs now for this time of the year should be at 72 degrees, and we are going to be in the 50s all day long. Again, rain showers in the forecast for us as well.